just came out into the market. Only 2.3 centimeter thick, as you can check. Maximum size available is 1.4 by 3 meters with this is the largest size available. This panel is composed by 2 stripes of LED lights on the longer height of each panel, and since there is a rasterized polycarbonate on top, then the lights goes in homogeneously, and this gives the homogeneous effect to the light in the surface of the panel. It's possible to change lights and type of colors from this remote. Remote is always included in the shipping. Possibility of having different type of lights, including black lights, white lights, and RGB lights. Checking the trolley, you can also find different type of samples, including our different panels finishes samples, the case, the wallpaper book, and last but not least, also the samples of our brand new panel. So a sample of the decorative panels, the Bralin.